What is a Nevada Fuel Supplier, dealer, manufacturer, user bond? Fuel tax surety bonds are a way to ensure that fuel suppliers, dealers, manufacturers, and users comply with Nevada revised statutes. These bonds obligate the principal to pay all taxes promptly when due, as well as securing payment of any penalties or fines imposed by the state of Nevada. With this bond in place, you can rest easy, knowing your company will be protected from financial risk should something go wrong. How much does a Nevada Fuel Supplier, dealer, manufacturer, user bond cost? Nevada Fuel Supplier, dealer, manufacturer, user bond is a type of surety bond that varies in cost and depends on the credit score of the applicant. Sometimes, personal or business financials may be required depending on what surety amount is needed for bonding purposes. How does a Nevada Fuel Supplier, dealer, manufacturer, user bond work? Getting a Nevada Fuel Supplier, dealer, manufacturer, user bond means you agree with the entity requiring it, called the obligee. Your surety company agrees to cover for you in case your clients or the public make claims against their contract and need payment from your bond. If there's ever any problems on either side of this agreement, only then will we get involved so that both parties can be satisfied. To learn more about surety bonds, please visit swiftbonds.com.